When trying to boost gut health, a little meal prep can go a long way to help you eat healthy during the busy week. And this meal prep smoothie pack is a great way to get in gut-friendly ingredients first thing in the morning. Let's make them. So to get started, all you need is your fruit, some veggies, I'm using spinach today, and your freezer pack. Spinach is a really great addition to your smoothies because you don't even taste it, and it's a great way to get in veggies at your breakfast meal. Now comes the fruit. 1 cup of my fruit, and then we need another ½ cup here. So again, I'll just eyeball it. To optimize space in your freezer, I just like to get as much air out as possible. This also helps to prevent freezer burn. So we'll just lie them flat and try to squeeze out as much air as we can and zip that up. And then it also makes it easy to stack these in the freezer. And that's that. We can go ahead and pop these in the freezer now for the week ahead. Smoothie packs are all frozen, and now it's time to blend them up. We're gonna take our smoothie pack, dump it in the blender, get all of that spinach out of there, and now comes time for our kefir. So kefir is a fermented yogurt drink. It's not as thick as yogurt. I find it to be the perfect consistency for smoothies, and you get those good gut bacteria benefits when you're using kefir. We are gonna use 1 cup per smoothie pack. And now it's time to blend. There you go. 3 ingredients, a few minutes, this gut-friendly smoothie is ready. Cheers. You cannot taste the spinach at all. I love that tropical fruit mix because you get a little bit of the strawberry coming through. I taste some pineapple and even that coconut that was in my mix. It's so good. So this is just one of the most delicious things you can be eating on a gut-friendly eating plan. Let me show you what else you can eat. When eating for gut health, there are 2 things you want to think about: probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are those good gut bugs that live in your system, and they can be found in certain foods, fermented foods, like kimchi, kombucha, plain old yogurt. So it's really not that hard to get these good gut bacteria from foods. Now, on the other side of things, we're talking about prebiotics. And prebiotics is the fuel that good gut bacteria feeds on. And prebiotics are found in fiber-rich foods, particularly fruits and veggies, whole grains, beans, and lentils. So, if you're eating to boost gut health, here are a few things to add to your shopping bag. Asparagus is a great option. It's also a vegetable that cooks up really quickly. You can simply saute it, add it next to your side of chicken at dinner. You can add it to an omelet. There's so many yummy things you can do with asparagus. Broccoli is also another favorite. Again, it cooks up quickly. I love roasting broccoli with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and balsamic vinegar. It's so good. So in the same family as broccoli, we've got Brussels sprouts. I think roasting Brussels sprouts is probably what you think of first, but I really love shaving Brussels sprouts really thinly and creating like a fresh salad from there with a nice lemon garlic vinaigrette. So good. Moving on to fruits, the counterpart to veggies. So fruits also contain fiber, the kind of fiber our gut loves, reaching for things like pomegranate, bananas, whole fruits like bananas, apples, pears are a really quick grab and go snack. You can chop it up, add it to overnight oats or your morning bowl of oatmeal. And I feel like I say this all the time, but eat more beans and lentils. So these are not only a great plant-based protein source, but they're high in fiber as well. And so eating more of this is gonna help your gut bacteria thrive and also help you feel more regular in general. So it's a key ingredient to a healthy gut diet. So there's more prebiotic foods to talk about. Whole grains. So whether it's whole wheat pasta, brown rice, something like farro, which is a nice hearty whole grain here, these contain that great prebiotic fiber that our gut loves. And then, of course, to round out the rest of your diet, you're wanting to include things like healthy fats in your system. These healthy fats help to decrease inflammation throughout the body and in the gut. So nuts like pistachios, almonds, or walnuts here. These heart-healthy foods also benefit your gut. We've talked about probiotics, we've talked about prebiotics, and our 3-ingredient smoothie here contains everything you need for a gut healthy start to your morning. Thanks so much for watching. Happy cooking, and I'll see you next time on Prep School.